Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the dual time mode on your Casio WS-1500H-1AV watch. This is module 3518 from Casio. Basically, the dual time mode allows you to look at a different time zone's time value without having to change your current time value. So I'm in my regular timekeeping mode. It's 2:59 p.m. What if I want to go see time for a different location? How would we do that? We're going to press the mode button. It's the bottom left button. We're going to press it 5 times. Each time we press it, it's going to take us to a different mode. On the 5th press, you should end up in a screen that looks like this. You're going to see DT at the bottom. That's for dual time. When you're on this mode, the bottom section is going to have your current time. So for my home location, 2:59 is my time. The middle section is going to be your dual time. What's the second time zone value that we want to see? And that's really pretty much what this feature does. The one thing I did want to mention is you can have your regular time in 24-hour format. At least on my model, you can't have your dual time in 24-hour format. I'll show you what I'm talking about. When you want to get out of this mode, we can simply press the mode button one time, get back to our regular timekeeping mode. I'm in 12-hour format right now. I'm going to press the bottom right button. Now I'm in 24-hour format. So let's go back to the dual time mode. And just like we saw before, my current time is showing 24-hour format. Nothing changed with regards to my dual time. It's still going to be showing in 12-hour format. Let's go in and let's look at how do we set the time for our dual time. It's not like your Casio G-Shock watches where you have to pick a world city code. All you're going to do is you need to know the time, the current time for the dual time that you want to be tracking, and we're going to set that time value. While we're in the mode, press and hold the top left button. That'll take you to your settings. The very first setting is your daylight savings time value for your world time value. So this has nothing to do with your current time or your home city time. It's just for your world time. Press the bottom right button and I can toggle it on or toggle it off. You'll notice as I press it, my dual time is changing accordingly. Once you've got it set the way you want, press the mode button. That'll take you to your next setting, which is going to be the hour value. I can use the top button on the right to go down. I can use the bottom button on the right to go up. I can press and hold. And you can see that even though I'm in 24-hour format, we are not seeing 24-hour value. Once you've got your hour set correctly, press the mode button again. It will take you to your minutes. You can use the same buttons on the right to adjust your minutes accordingly. Now, if I press mode again, it's just going to take me right back to that daylight savings value. It's just going to keep going in a loop. Once you've got it set the way you want, simply press the top left button and you've successfully adjusted your dual time value. It's really not much else to show you other than that. Once you're done with your dual time mode, you can simply press the mode button, get back to your main timekeeping. There are some more expensive Casio watches that allow you to flip-flop and change between your current time to your dual time and make that your dual time, make your dual time your current time. You cannot do that with this watch. So if I travel overseas, I either have to stay in dual time mode to see both times, or I would have to set my dual time as my current time and change my current time to my dual time. So I hope that makes sense. If you've had other Casio watches, you know what I'm talking about. I hope this gave you an idea of how the dual time mode works. Thanks for watching.